Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe. So igame eKaizer Chiefs versus Asante le yaseGhana. iKaizer Chiefs ishawe kuma penalty. Asiqale straight kuma penalty bafethu. Inacho Miguel umiste 2 penalties egamini. Umiste penalty around 80 something minutes before igame izophela. Wamiste penalty lokugcina futhi iKaizer Chiefs yadliwa. Umdusha balusha ipenalty elihle 2 casually but ke uyazi ukuthi ugoalkeeper uzodive. Uduba ke it was not convincing. Ama penalty weKaizer Chiefs mostly it was not convincing lawa abawage because you need power kuloya goalkeeper loya mkhulu bafethu udinga ipower waliplayisa nje kancane waya kulelo side uzolibamba obvious because ugoalkeeper omkhulu onomzimba yabo so bekumele nje bashaya ama shot isikhathi esiningi. It was not convincing but anyways it's just a friendly match but khona sikufundile kuKaizer Chiefs kule game lena bafethu ukuthi second half they can attack, they can up the tempo of the game. There were moments la ngibona ngathi Kaizer Chiefs ibuyile ivukile idlala ibhola elihle kakhulu but they are not clinical. Final third bashawa ibhola ekugcineni ukuthi mase kumele bapike umuntu oright kuma position right bashawa leyo nto leyo yabo. So engikubonile okunye from umthetho bafethu ulo bayamdinga uKaizer Chiefs kumele asebenzise istrength sakhe more. Ngibona asebenzisa first half it was a good tackle or shoulder to shoulder laphana agudluza umuntu waseGhana amuyisela le. That's a good thing, good sign from uThetho ukuthi they need more of that from iKaizer Chiefs. Inacho Miguel ke yena unnecessary fouls cisha walimaza umuntu ngefriendly imesh nje kuyi first half so kumele minimize kulawo ma files lawo but sophinde sikhulume ngayo simention yena kuphela but nje ngifuna ukurounda off igame. Ushinga first half he was beaten easily, akekho super powerful in terms of ukumaka but good going forward. Ngombonile ama moments ukuthi bangasebenza kanjani laphana kuKaizer Chiefs overall ukuthi bangabenefita kanjani ngaye yabona. uMcCarthy star umfethu yabo so bangabuilda lapha at the back around yena because ugood is more comfortable on the ball and decision making ugood yabo. Hey Silva I think is still gearing up to good system eKaizer Chiefs nanokuthi bazomdlalisa kanjani but he a few good movements I think he'll get there yabo. And then Ushinga njengoba bengishilo bafethu okay I'll mention him on the next video. And then uDuba mengena second half ube more lively game way change anyana good runs good positions but finishing like mabafika phambili abana plan isikhathi esiningi they are able to plan to play lama passes wabo are good but when it matters the most they don't do the right thing yabo. So overall I think his first half be flat, his second half was lively maqeda uqala. I think for the first 20 minutes that was a good football from iKaizer Chiefs. They were pressing high maningi ama moments engiwabonile bafethu but overall disappointing penalties from iKaizer Chiefs. Munyani he offers something good for iKaizer Chiefs. I think he offers speed nanokuthi ke is able to go forward yabo. Nanokuthi uba offer and emuva ugood futhi nangama tackle so iKaizer Chiefs izobenefita kakhulu ngaye ubafo yabo. So overall nje obviously pre-season game a high profile friendly match against the team yaseGhana. What I saw ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs improve in terms of physique bafethu. They have to know how to play the African teams. Baya ku-CAF Confederations Cup. These guys are not talented than iKaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is way more talented but in terms of aggression they need to improve on aggression. They might not be too aggressive compared to these guys but mele beze ne-system abazodlala yabo. You can't say you wanna hold the ball and try to compete with umuntu okushaya ngomzimba yabo. Ukushaya ngomzimba at the same time une-pace so hlakanipha mfethu iza nezinye izitayela zokuthi udlale yabo. Coach Nabi naye bekumele ahlakanipha introduce different system angasho ukuthi ulo ubani uzi this guy uModi athatha ama players one on one yabo because isikhathi esiningi bazomshaya ngomzimba. Kumele ahlakaniphe ama one weKaizer Chiefs are good if they were more composed bebazokwazi ukcreate ama opportunities amaningi. Umdusha balala was more lively uyabona ukuthi there's something about the boy obvious but isystem ekumele badlale ngayo bayi-implement bafethu kumele bazame ngempela ukudlala ibhola different against ama opposition ane-aggression wase-Africa bafethu otherwise they will struggle ku-CAF Confederations Cup but okwamanje asibambela ngithi danko bafethu ngizobuya and then ama-Kaizer Chiefs ngizo break down like player to player ukuthi adlale kanjani for le game le ngibabona kanjani nanokuthi bazoprepare kanjani nanokuthi bazodlala kanjani kule season ezayo. Danko bafethu ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe.